Hello, people, and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. This is your host for the next couple of minutes, Kshitij Bhatnagar. And I know हम बहुत टाइम के बाद मिल रहे हैं, and that is probably because I've been stuck काफ़ी टाइम से and बहुत सारी चीज़ों में. And वैसे भी पता है, if you're good at general knowledge, आपको पता होगा कि इंडिया की कुछ सिचुएशन अच्छी चल नहीं रही है दीज डेज़. तो हाँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही थी. ऑल्सो आई गॉट रियली इल, जो मैं काफ़ी टाइम तक था. देन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स विच आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो एंड नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग वीडियोज़. सो आई होप आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे, क्योंकि हम बहुत टाइम के बाद मिल रहे हैं. एंड आई रियली होप कि आपने मुझे थोड़ा बहुत मिस किया, क्योंकि आई डिड miss making these videos. And so yes, we'll get started without further ado, क्योंकि धूप हो रही है ना भाई. that is a valid reason, totally valid reason. धूप हो रही है, मुझे जल्दी धूप से निकलना है. I know people love golden hour thing, I do too, but you know, जैसा आजकल चल रहा है, गर्मी है यहाँ पे दिल्ली में. So yeah, moving on. Today I want to talk to you about it's okay if you're working really hard for something that really matters to you, for a big project, something you call your dream, and which is very good, and I'm really proud of that. Or probably you've been given a very big project in your office, class, school, college, wherever, and you've been working really hard towards it to, you know, तारीफ पाने के लिए, to really get appreciated. Because मानो ना मानो, people love getting appreciated no matter how introvert they are. अच्छा लगता है सुनने में ना, कोई तुम्हारे बारे में इतना अच्छा सोच रहा है. So if you're working hard towards that, that's very good. But I want to talk to you about why you have to not work hard on the expense of health. Yes, people, today we're going to talk about health while you're working hard. Why your health matters so much if you really want to achieve the thing that you're working towards. So I've got three things that you need to keep in mind, and these also mention the three problems that you might go through while you're working hard in your concerns of health. Let's get started with part number 1, which is gonna be avoid burnouts. That is when आप consistently काम कर रहे हैं, you're in a flow जो आप तोड़ना नहीं चाहते. तो वो काम करते there comes a time when your mind reaches a point जहाँ पे उसका burnout हो चुका है. When you're tired mentally and totally mentally tired, बिल्कुल मतलब आप आगे काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो. I appreciate if you're working long hours, but you also need to keep in mind the fact that if a burnout happens, you might even need a break 3 to 4 days का to recover from that. ये कभी बहुत severe burnouts होते हैं while working continuously, तो काफ़ी लंबे breaks लेने पड़ते हैं to recover from that. तो you need to keep in mind, अगर that लंबा break can also affect the project you're working on. So you cannot take, if you do not want to take that longer break from working, अपने टाइम्स को काम करने के टाइम्स को ऑर्गेनाइज कर लो थोड़ा, एंड गिव योर माइंड अ लिटिल ब्रेक पूरे दिन में. टेक आउट टाइम टू रिफ्रेश इट, टेक आउट टाइम टू डू सम पीसफुल एक्टिविटी दैट यू लाइक, cooking, dancing, listening to music, reading a book, anything. Just scribble down something, whatever works for you. So do something to peace out your mind. That is very important. It's amazing that you're working long hours, but you need to keep in mind this too, that burnout isn't good for your health. So the second thing that we're going to talk about today is getting फुल स्लीप, कंप्लीट स्लीप. एक तुम्हारा नींद का स्केड्यूल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. if you want to keep working. Why? क्योंकि if you're not sleeping, अच्छा चलो ये चीज़ ना अराउंड एक वीक तक काम कर जाएगी, दैट you're compromising on your sleep and you're working on whatever you're working on. But after that there will come a time जब क्या होगा, आप सुबह उठे एंड देन धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली बहुत आपका ना दिन शुरू से ही लथार्जिक होना शुरू हो जाएगा. यू फील सुपर लेजी, यू फील सुपर अनप्रोडक्टिव दैट डे, एंड नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड यू ट्राई इट विल गेट डिफिकल्ट एंड इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क ऑन दैट डे. एंड यू डोंट वांट दैट. तो उस चीज़ से बचने के लिए ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ गेट कंप्लीट स्लीप ऑफ एटलीस्ट 8 hours. 8 घंटे 6 to 8 hours तो सोना ही सोना है, नो मैटर व्हाट. This will, what will it do? It will refresh your mind, it will reset your mind, and even if you're stuck at something in your project while you're working, तो वो चीज़ से क्या होगा, if you're sleeping on that time on regular intervals, आपको अच्छे से sleep मिल रही है and आपका ना mind refresh हो रहा है. तो refresh होने से क्या हो रहा है, you'll approach that problem with a different perspective and you might even solve it. So you need that. उस चीज़ को वो चीज़ कब मिलेगी, when your mind is getting enough rest, so that is why sleep is very important. Do not underestimate it. Yup. So the third thing that we're gonna talk about today, which is one of your biggest concerns while you're working, and इस duration में आपको क्या करना है, you have to get good food. If you're working continuously towards something, उस duration में try not to eat too much of junk food, too much of that kind of products जो आपको over a period of time lazy कर दें, आपकी productivity को low करने की कोशिश करें, because that is what junk food does to us, and वो चीज़ हमें नहीं करनी. Try and eat healthy food if you want your body to function good, so that you can focus on your work. And you have no idea how much this helps, you have no idea how good it will prove for you. So that was the 3 points that you're gonna keep in mind while working. You have to take care of yourself, which is very important, very 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 important. With that said, people, with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep missing me, probably. I'll see you in the next video. Whatever.